Hello and welcome to the Seminole County Virtual School mini-series, short little tutorial videos about how to use different programs and systems in virtual school. Today we're actually going to focus on Virtual School Administrator, or VSA, for how to manage your messages and how to get to your virtual school courses. Today let's go ahead and click on the address bar here, and we're going to go to VSA, which is http://vsa.flvs.net, and that will take you to VSA, the Virtual School Administrator, and this page should look familiar to you. That's where you actually went to sign up for your courses. So here is how you log in. You're going to use your username and your password to click login. And a couple of important things about this page would be, number one, you have any enrollment issues or information you might need to address would be up here in red. And then the other thing up here would be your messages. On occasion you may see an email message saying that sign into VSA and check your messages, and this is where it would be. Our training student really needs to check his or her messages. So to check it, you would just go ahead and click on that. And this shows you all the messages that you have here for in your account. So let's go ahead and click on Dashboard to go back to the dashboard. And this is your main page, your dashboard. This is the place where you go to get access to all your courses. We're going to scroll down towards the bottom here, below the announcements that might be up here at the top. And we have the course request status area, and this shows you where all your different courses are, what the process is for having them be requested and assigned to you. Right now we have only one active class, and that is Web Design 1, and as soon as you're active in a class and you talk to your teacher, this will become a live link and you can click on it to enter your class. In just a moment we'll click on this to enter the class, but first I wanted to show you one more thing down here. Down here you have the progress reports area, and this shows you the most recent progress report for all your different classes that you're active in. Right now our training student is only active in one course, and so there's only one progress report. And on the 15th of every month the progress report will show up right here for you to see. In order to see it, you would just click on it. The student doesn't really have any progress because it's just a training student, but if you did, there would be comments from your teachers, your current grade, and that gets automatically generated every month on the 15th. So the other one important thing I wanted to note before we click on the link to go into the class is over here where you have your student profile. Just make sure in your student profile that you have the most up-to-date email address, because that is going to be your teacher's primary way of communicating with you. And so if this is not your address as a student, you won't be getting messages and information from your teacher that you need to get. So make sure that you have the correct email address, phone number, and all your information here in your student profile. There's a place for parents and guardians to add their information, but we really need to make sure students have their contact information in the dashboard or in the student profile. Okay, to enter your classes, you're just going to go ahead and click on the live link, and you may see a security warning or a pop-up window, so just make sure you have pop-ups enabled. And you'll go into our Blackboard system, which is the new course management system that we're using this year. All of Florida Virtual School will be switching over to it, and franchises are starting off with it this year, so everyone will have Blackboard for their Seminole County Virtual School classes. Alright, that is where we're going to leave off for this one. In the next video we're going to pick up with how to access your courses and navigate inside of them.